Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I want to talk about PCOS, which is also known as polycystic ovarian syndrome. This is a highly recommended video. I've had a lot of people who have come to my videos. They commented, when I post any home remedies, especially home remedies to do with fertility, how to get pregnant and all that stuff. They will always ask me questions. Do you have videos on PCOS? Do you have videos on PCOS? Yes, today I'm doing a video on PCOS because I feel that I have the item here with me. I have moringa here with me. Okay, the reason why I have not done this video for a long time is because I didn't have this moringa powder. So right now I have this moringa powder with me, so I'm going to do this video today. This is a home remedy on how you can get rid of your PCOS. Okay, for women who are going through PCOS, PCOS is a serious genetic hormone, metabolic and reproductive disorder that affects women and girls. It is the leading cause of female infertility, and it also includes conditions such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and endometrial cancer. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see how we can treat that PCOS naturally without taking any medications or without going for any surgery. So I'll just go straight ahead and show you the items which I'll be using. Like you can see, this is the apple cider vinegar with the mother. We'll be needing apple cider vinegar, okay, with the mother, black organic apple cider vinegar. This is pink salt, Himalaya pink salt. This is optional. If you don't have the Himalaya pink salt, you can always omit it. We're going to be using ginger in this video, okay, and of course this is your organic moringa powder. You can actually make this at home or you can buy it. I have a video that I made this moringa powder. I'm going to leave a link so you can go and check it out. This is raw honey, organic raw honey. Okay, so these are the items which we are going to be using in today's video. Okay, you'll be needing warm water. Okay, you don't want it to be too hot. So this is very hot. I'm just going to dilute it. Wait. So you're just going to put a little bit of the warm water, okay, and then you're going to add in 1 teaspoon. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of moringa powder, okay. You're going to stir that. Moringa powder is actually takes a bit of time for it to like really mix with water. Okay, it's a bit on the stubborn side. It doesn't really mix well, so you need to take your time to really stir very well. Okay, so inside of that you add this approximately 1 teaspoon of ginger. I just grated this ginger. Okay, you can actually grate it. 1 teaspoon of ginger. Into that I'm going to add in my apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add in another 2 teaspoons actually is okay. Alright, mix it very well. If you're diabetic, do not add in honey. Honey is just to it's just for the taste. If you cannot withstand the taste of the moringa drink, you can add in honey. Okay, and then you stir it very well. Continue stirring so it mixes. So this is the Himalaya pink salt. This is the Himalaya pink salt. It is actually optional. You put in just a pinch. Okay, you put in just a pinch of the Himalaya pink salt. If you don't have it, you can skip this step. It is not compulsory. Okay, so once you have all that in, just stir, and then you add in your water. Okay. You want to make sure that it's warm. So this is what we have after adding in everything. So how you're going to take this drink, take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach when you wake up, and when you take it, you have to wait about 30 minutes before eating your breakfast or before taking any medications. All right, if you are on any medication. And of course, last thing at night. So if you have a straw, you can take it with a straw because of the apple cider vinegar in it. You don't want it to damage your teeth. Or once you finish taking it, you can just rinse your mouth with water. Okay, so once you take this drink, after 2 weeks, you start seeing your body, you start glowing. What this drink does is it stimulates the metabolism, it increases energy level, it boosts immunity, it detoxifies your body, it helps to relieve inflammation, improves liver function, like you're detoxifying your body, taking out all the toxins from your body. At the same time, it is going to help you to treat your polycystic ovarian syndrome, guys. This home remedy is trusted and tested. I've seen a lot of people who have testified to this home remedy. So guys, take this home remedy and drop the comments down below this video and let me know how it worked for you. I'll be glad to read your comments after you've taken this treatment. So I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. If you think that this video was helpful, do not forget to share this video. Share to help other people suffering from this PCOS. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. And as you do so, God bless you. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. To my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. I see you guys. Until then, guys, I will see you again in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.